in the Mercs. There's a bit of a boil up here. It's been in the Mercury Cove. Had a dolphin swim past. There they are. Heading back to Waiheke, Channel Island, 25 miles away. There's the barrier over there.
Where's Waiheke?
Waiheke's over there, bro.
I don't see it.
It's over there, bro. Other side of the hill, bro.
Why don't we just go to the hill? It's faster.
We just got the word through from race officials that we won the two-handed division of the Auckland Tauranga race.
Not bad for an old man and a 14-year-old.
What do you mean, old?
You're like 5 times my age.
Jeez.
Let's go get the fishing rod.
Feel better now?
Much better. Gonna go hook some moonfish.
Jesus. Look at this, what a gorgeous day to be out on the... Well, I nearly said Yachtyakka Golf, but that's just around the corner. Just taking this bit of footage here for all you POMs. Yeah, all the POMs.
Why the POMs?
Well, they don't see places like this. That's Great Mercury over there. Just been into the cove. There's people fishing everywhere. There's fish jumping everywhere. We're going to try and see if we can snag a few for the smoker.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum. So you happy with the result, mate?
Couldn't be happier. It's first this year.
First? Can't get much better than first. So how many bottles of rum have you won this year?
5.
5. And a chili bin.
And a chili bin.
And a few trophies.
And a few cheers.
Yeah. Like to pass on a special thanks to Michelle.
Why that?
Why not?
I already did that on TV, didn't I?
You did that on TV. Oh, we've got a TV program getting made about
Crac-A-Jac.
Crac-A-Jac.
Crac-A-Jac's going to be on TV.
Yeah.
All fun and games.
All fun and games. All a bit of humour. You got a swivel for that?
No.
So how are we going to do this?
Tie it on like I did earlier on. Hope for the best.